Hello student, good afternoon. I am Issa Siddiqui. Today I am going to discuss chemistry of 11th class. Topic is some basic concept of chemistry and the subtopic is mole concept. For proper understanding or better understanding, we can divide mole concept into three parts. That is, first one is definition, second one is formula related to mole concept, and third one is numerical, that is question related to mole concept. Why mole concept is required? It is used to count particles. It is used to count particles. It is used to count particles. Particles may be atom, molecules, atoms, molecules, ions, electron, proton and neutron. So mole concept it introduced to count particles. Particles may be atoms, may be molecules, may be ions, may be electrons, protons and neutron, just like dozen term is used to count fruits. For example, 1 dozen apple is equal to 12 apples. How many apples? 12 apples. So 1 mole apple is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 apples. So just like dozen, it is used to count fruits, because 1 dozen is equal to 12 apples. So 1 mole apple is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 apples. So mole is a fixed number, just like dozen is a fixed number. So how we can define? What is the definition of moles? Mole is a fixed number. Mole is a fixed number which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So the definition of mole is a fixed number and which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. What is the exact definition of mole? Mole, 12 gram of carbon divided by mass of 1 atom of carbon. So if we take 12 gram of carbon atom and divide the mass of 1 atom of carbon, 12 gram, what is the mass of 1 atom of carbon? 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So gram and gram cancel and this will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So we can define it is the ratio of 12 gram of carbon and mass of 1 atom of carbon is equal to 1 mole, that is mole. So we can define in another way: total number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon is equal to 1 mole. So total number of total number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon is equal to 1 mole. Okay, here carbon is C12. Carbon having atomic mass is 12 because most abundant carbon in nature, most abundant carbon in nature is C12. It means carbon having atomic mass 12. So mole is a definite number, fixed number, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 1 mole is a fixed number and that fixed number is also known as Avogadro number. A means Avogadro, N means number. So Na is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 1 Avogadro is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So mole is a fixed number. It is used to count particles. Particles may be atom, may be molecules, may be ions. We can explain easily by taking example. Suppose a class in which so many students are present and total weight of the student is 5000 kilogram. So how we can calculate the number of a student? If we can find weight of one student, suppose weight of one student is equal to 50 kilogram, then number of student is equal to 5000 divided by 50. How many students? 100 students. In this way, we can also calculate the moles, because 12 gram of carbons, how many atoms present in 12 gram of carbon? It is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Next is formula related to moles. Formula related to moles. First of all, number of moles. A small n is equal to weight in gram divided by atomic weight in gram, or in presence of molecule, weight in gram divided by molecular weight. Okay, the number of moles, first formula is number of moles, weight in gram divided by atomic weight, or weight in gram divided by molecular weight. So next formula, for formula number 2, number of moles is equal to number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So small n is equal to capital N divided by Na, because number of particles is represented by capital N and Avogadro number is represented by Na. So second formula is number of moles is equal to capital N divided by Na. Volume of 1 mole of any gas, volume of 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to 22.4 liter. STP means standard temperature pressure. Standard temperature is 0 degree and pressure is 1 atmosphere. Okay. So volume of 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to 22.4 liter or 22.7 liter. Okay. STP standard temperature is 0 degree, pressure is 1 atmosphere. In next video I will discuss the numerical related to mole concept. Thank you very much for watching the video.